Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all methods of charging your Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so the first and the simplest method would be just using the USB-C cable and with the proprietary charging station. So let's just connect the cable to the phone. As you can see, no problem, the phone will be charging, and I believe it's the fastest method. The second method would be using the wireless charging feature. So I have my wireless charging station here, so let's just put it down, and as you can see, the feature works, and the charger works perfectly. And the most interesting option, I believe, is using another phone supporting the wireless power sharing feature. So we have a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra here, and we have to have the wireless power sharing option enabled. So let's just put the phone here and put our Samsung Galaxy S25 right on top. And as you can see, the phone is in fast charging. I would recommend putting the etui away, but it's fine. As you can see, the phone is charging. Just remember to align it correctly, because sometimes the feature won't work. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.